What do you want to be more than anything? A belly dance superstar. In this video, I'm going to show you the #1 move that's going to turn you into an improvisational belly dance superstar. Marhaba dancers, I am Jensuya, back with another video on really cool ways to become an improvisational belly dancer when you're not in the studio. Here's what I want you to do. When you're out tramping through the snow, I want you to think, how could I belly dance without music? Well, you can sing. Let's try it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do a step touch with it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All I'm doing is counting a 4-beat measure and stepping and touching on the beat. You can check out our other videos on music speak and counting the beat and that sort of stuff. But watch this now. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and step and touch, step and touch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step, twisting the hip and step, twisting the hip. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I'm just playing in the snow. Doom, doom, taka, tak. Doom, taka, tak, taka, doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak, taka, doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak, and a 1 and a 2, and take it for a walk. Doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak, taka, doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak, doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak, doom, doom, taka, tak, taka, taka, tak. Doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak, taka, doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak, taka, doom, doom, taka, tak, doom, taka, tak. La, 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 la. So there it is. It's a gorgeous snowy day, first day of spring, and we're dancing outside the studio. And why is that so great for learning improv? Because we don't have those environmental cues. No cute little hip scarf, no mirrors to rely on, not our regular music. We have the lovely sound of the river and our own beautiful singing of the beat and the rhythm. If you like this, smash the like button, share it with your friends, take a hike in the snow or on the beach with your friends and sing and dance. La 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 la, masalama. Whip and nay nay.